Morning. Today we're going to Volcano Bay. I don't know if there's gonna be a lot of footage from today. I'm excited. I don't know what to expect and I think it's gonna be fun. So yes, sing along. Where are we going today, Patrick?
We're going to Volcano Bay.
Ah, yes! I know there's going to be a volcano there, but it's not an actual volcano. Or is it? Dun dun dun! Here we go! Ooh. Today is toe shoe day! I spy another set of toe shoes. How you feeling?
I don't know.
I don't know. Feeling we're okay.
Okay.
We're okay. Huge bus queue. There are quite some people going to Volcano Bay today, not just us. We are walking into the park. Ooh, music. Wow. We're doing so well. We're the flipper of the lockers. Oh, we're standing right next
there.
to them. We're great at this. That is a great volcano. This is gonna be harder than I thought. I don't know if I can bring my phone or my GoPro, and if I bring my GoPro, I might not be able to bring it on all the rides, and that might be annoying. I kind of want to enjoy the day as well and not just be running back and forth to my locker. So we'll see what this vlog will be. I'll get back to you on that. Okay, bye!
3 hours later.
How do you feel the day's been so far?
Pretty good.
What's your favorite ride?
The one we just did.
The blue that you can see, I think. It was a group ride for 5 people. It was nice. Now I'm gonna have a drink. I'm thirsty. And I'm probably not gonna record too much of the rides because you can't have cameras on a lot of them, and I don't wanna run constantly back and forth to my locker. But hello!
A few moments later.
Time for lunch, and I'm having a pulled pork sandwich. As I've learned that it's called sandwich here, not a burger as it's called at home. Comes people. Ah, hungry. We were lucky. There were no people here. Look, empty. Hello.
Hello.
We've just had lunch, so now we're gonna go drop our stuff off at the locker.
Staff? Do we have a staff?
I don't know what we're gonna do next. Then we're gonna go do something fun. Catch you on the flip side. Bye. Woo.
Much later.
How do you guys feel about today?
Tired. Very tired.
Same. Swimming. So very many swims.
Tapu.
Swims.
Tapu Tapu.
Isn't this the shortest vlog you've ever seen? Oh, we're blurry. We just went in and then we came out.
Yeah.
And you didn't see any of it.
Were we even in
No,
there?
it's a secret.
Secret day. It was a good day though.
Yeah.
So tired. It was fun. 10 out of 10 would do again. Except for their app was stupid. Their app is so stupid. Wow. Wow. Everything was great except for their app. So that's all I guess. Bye. Oh, thank you all for watching and stuff like that as well. And subscribe and you know all those things. So I realized that I've forgotten to say